We have just a study before nutrition in plants. We have learned that plants are autotrophic organisms and perform photosynthesis and prepare their own food. Today we discuss about the nutrition in animal. The nutrition in plant, the all videos related to nutrition in plant are available on this channel. You can watch before starting this topic. Now today we discuss nutrition in animal. Nutrition in animal for class 10. We have already learned about autotrophic nutrition in detail and all videos are available in this channel. Now let's start. Animals obtain their food from plant and animals. Nutrition, the process of obtaining food and its utilization for energy, growth and repair of body is called nutrition. The process of taking food and utilization to develop our growth, repair of the body is called nutrition. For the more discussion about the nutrition, you can watch of class 7 video. All the animals can be divided into 3 groups on the basis of food habits. First, herbivorous animal. Those animals which eat only plant are called herbivores. For example, cow, goat, camel, monkey, many more. You can watch, you can see these are animals near about it. Second, carnivorous animal. Those animals which eat only flesh or other animals as food are called carnivores. For example, lion, tiger and many more. Next, omnivores. Those animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Dog, crow and many more examples are available near about it. Omnivores. Dog eat plant also, plant product also. Plant means plant product, bread, leaf, stem, and animals as a flesh, as a meat or animal product. These types of animals called omnivores. Different steps, and there are different 5 steps in the process of nutrition of animals. Number 1, ingestion. Number 2, digestion. Number 3, absorption. And number 4, assimilation. And number 5, egestion. Now we discuss one by one what is ingestion, what is digestion, what is absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now see, number one, ingestion, the process of taking food into the body. There are many methods to taking food into the body. These methods, this process is called ingestion. Simply, the style, the method of taking food is called ingestion. Next, digestion. What is digestion? The process of breaking down of complex food substances. Complex means large particles of the food. Large particles of the food substances into simple soluble substances is called digestion. The process of breaking down means broken into a small pieces into simple soluble substances is called digestion. Next, absorption. The process in which the digested food passes through a small intestinal or large intestinal wall into blood stream is called absorption. Means after digestion, the absorption of nutrients from the small intestine into the blood, this process is known as absorption. Next, assimilation. The process in which the absorbed food which mixed into the blood is taken in by the body cells and used for the energy to give the cell for the growth of the body and repair of the cells is and many more is called assimilation. Next is egestion. The process in which the undigested food is removed from the body is called egestion. This get rid of undigested food. The removing from the body of undigested food is called egestion. There are very 5 steps, important steps in the nutrition in animal.